To create the impression of a curve away from us, you take an area darker in value. So I'll lay in a bit of that color right along this edge because I want that edge to curve away from us. I'll lay in just a bit of color at a time and then rinse the brush and wipe it on the towel and thin out that edge to soften. I'm squinting as I look at the photo. That helps me to see the darker values as I work around the lighter pinks. What I'll do is reinforce those same grays. You might not need to do this. I encourage you to make decisions based on what you see in your painting. I'll lay in a little bit at a time and then soften the edges. I'll lay in a glaze of this peach. This is the consistency of tea to thin milk. I'm using a touching motion with the tip of the brush. And this isn't the darkest yet, but we're laying in where it will be the darkest. And layer by layer, we'll go darker in value. I want to create the next darkest gray. It's not quite as dark as this. You can go right over that dark value and then bring the color out further. I'm using the side of the brush. And then you can rinse your brush and wipe it on the towel and soften even more. It's creating a smooth transition from the very dark into a lighter gray and then into the pink. I'll continue to use this consistency of milk. Soften. So we've gone a little bit darker there, and what I'm doing is working around this pink area, which is lighter in value. Yeah, I think I could just use another layer of hairs overall. And what I want to do is begin to create the textures that I see in the nose and also create smoother transitions from the very dark into the lighter values. Well, what we can do is touch in little dots of color with the tip of the brush. And that is helping to create a smoother transition from dark to light. And if it's not dark enough, you could use a slightly thicker consistency. These are minute refinements. Reinforce any areas that you think could go darker. I'm making some final refinements. I hope you've learned from this tutorial and enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.